Welcome to our channel where we make your creative journey seamless and simple. Welcome to our channel where we make your creative journey seamless and simple. If you're a contributor on Pond5 or planning to become one, knowing how to access your account quickly is essential for managing your portfolio and sales efficiently. Let's go through the login process step by step so you can get started without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Pond5 website. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Contributor Login button. Click on it to proceed. On the login page, enter the email address associated with your Pond5 contributor account. Be sure to type your email carefully to avoid any errors. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to receive instructions for resetting it via your registered email. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your contributor dashboard where you can upload new media, track sales, and manage account settings. Remember to always keep your login details secure and log out after finishing your session if you are using a public or shared device. This straightforward procedure ensures that you have full control over your Pond5 creative content and account functions anytime, anywhere. Don't let login troubles slow you down on your creative path. With these simple steps, you're ready to dive into your Pond5 contributor journey with confidence and ease. Last but not least, if you're new to Pond5 or want to explore more about managing your creative assets on this platform, keep practicing these steps until they become second nature.